how to edit your Twitch and Steam account on your website or on your PC right now in front of you. To doing this, what you have to do is you simply have to search Twitch on your Google Chrome and log into your Twitch account using your email ID and your password. As you can see, this is my Twitch homepage. I will click on the right top of screen, that is my profile, and then click on the third option, that is creator dashboard. In my creator dashboard, I will see a lot of things. Then on the left, click on Steam Manager. In the Steam Manager, you will see a lot of options and you will get another option to edit Steam information. Here you can edit live notification, your title, your tags, your Steam language, content classification, and some branded content checks. So this is how you can edit actions on your Twitch account of your Steam account. This is all about the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to this channel for watching more technical videos, updates and reviews like this.